Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the Triangulate modifier. What this Triangulate modifier does? It triangulates the faces. Let's see. Shift A and we will go to the monkey Suzani. It's the best example. For example, you have a face like this, isn't it? It will triangulate it like this or like this maybe. Okay, so let's see what this modifier does. Let's go at the modifier triangulate. You see, it gave it, you see, let me show you here, or let me show you in a ghosted mode. Okay, you see, for example, not this face, let's see in this face. Let's see in this face. For example, you have this face, it will triangulate it like this. See, triangulate it like this, and it will make the faces more, and it will triangulate it. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.